to today's vlog. Aurora's just got up. Please excuse my hair, I probably look a mess. But we've just been looking at pictures of Santa, haven't we? And his reindeers. And telling you all the names of the reindeers, haven't we? Eh? Haven't we? This is Santa's song, isn't it? So she's never listened to this, so I thought I'd put it on for her. Turn it down just because copyright and all that. Yeah, is that Rudolph? Look. Yeah, look, he's got a very shiny nose. See his shiny nose? The other reindeers.
That's
and calling names.
That's him.
Yeah, they're all his family, aren't they?
What's Santa?
Santa will come in a minute. There he is!
He's too big.
His ears too big?
Yeah.
They're horns then. He's got ears, but they've got horns as well. Oh, I don't know, they're not called horns, are they? They're called anklers, I think. That good?
Another one.
Yeah, no, that's the same one. That's Rudolph with the red shiny nose. In it.
What's Santa?
Santa should come back again in a minute.
It come again.
He did. Well, they wasn't being friends with the Rudolph, was there? Now they're all friends again. That was fun, wasn't it? Do you want to watch it again?
Yeah.
I'll put it on for you now, right? But yeah, anyway, we've just got up. We're going to get ready for nursery. Rora's probably going to watch Rudolph now 4 million times before she goes to nursery. But anyway, the joys of Christmas. Anyway, going to say bye to the guys. Going to get ready for nursery. And then, yeah, do you want to hold it? Do you want to sit there a minute? Oh. Get ready for nursery. Finish my nice cup of tea. But yeah, anyway, I'm going to go and sort myself out. I'll see you soon. Okay, we're all ready for nursery. We're going. I guess what day it is. It's bonfire night. You're going to see fireworks
tonight.
It's going to rain, innit? Hopefully it doesn't.
Always rains on bonfire.
It's raining.
It is raining, innit? Horrible. So, we're going to head to nursery. I'm going to say bye to the guys. You'll see them later when you come home. Yeah, have you seen the state of this car? Seriously. It's not even white anymore, it's like, it's been resprayed. Okay guys, we are home. Just dropped Aurora at nursery. I went and picked Liam up and went to Subway. Just gonna have a Subway now. Dave has only literally just come in and already dropped his food all over the show. I don't know how he misses that mouth. Like, it's not big enough. But anyway, I've just got meatball sub. Liam's got a bacon butty, but he had mine. They've got me a pot of meatballs as well. You can just get on their own, so I gave them to Liam. But I didn't want meatballs in a pot, then meatballs on a sandwich. So, if I would have been getting something else, I would have done. But anyway, I'm just going to enjoy this, and then I'm going to go and get dressed. You know, make myself look absolutely gorgeous for the day. If only. Okay, so I thought I'd show you where we're up to now. I've got my sister here today.
Hi guys.
Even though it's not focusing. She is now. Anyway, we're just gonna show you what I've done, what else I've put on the tree, and then I've just realised, well, when I stand back, it's really hard for me to see unless I've got my glasses on. So I don't tell where the balls are missing until I've actually got them on, or I get my sister to look at it. I have to keep telling her to go stand back, but it seems like some of the balls from near the top need to come down, like around the bottom. You don't realise how big the bottom actually is until you're decorating it, but anyway. So, as you can see, it's looking very red this year. Didn't look this red last year, did it? It was very colourful last year, I think. But I prefer the red, it's more Christmassy. But we've got, I don't know if I've shown you the new boots that we got, which are, well, oh yeah, here they are, here's one. We got these new boots. Then obviously we got the other Christmas ones. This one. I'm trying to think what else is new. Obviously them that we're showing you, the sweets. These were off my tree from the studio, so we just put these on. These were new. But yeah, I still need, so I'm going to stand back and just show you so you know what I mean. Like you can see, there's a bit of space here where it looks more packed up here, so I'm just going to bring some of the middle ones down a little bit. I have got more that still need to go on it, although I'm running out of space. So, but yeah, it's looking nice. It's looking very orange in here today. But I'm loving it. Anyway, we've started over here. We were going to move this shelf over there, but I might just leave it here for Christmas and then leave it. I'm not decided yet, but I do want it. I wanted the cabinet here, taking this photo down, putting the shelf here, and I just think it would like set it off like a nice Christmas scene in that corner. And then I was going to have pictures on it and maybe just change them at Christmas and put Christmas ones. But anyway, I've had an idea for this well, but until I've 100% decided, I'm not going to say. But yeah, anyway, hope you're liking the tree. I'll show you everything else later. What are you saying? Oh. No, it's a real good idea.
Yeah, which will never happen.
No, it's not decorating. It's not decorating. Yeah? But I'll tell you in a minute. Okay, so the kids have just got in from school, and Penelope got a certificate today, didn't you?
Yeah.
For
Reading Star of the Day.
yeah, reading Star of the Day. We just realised why the camera was yellow, because it was in the wrong setting. But anyway, Dad's bought him this to do, not the shoes, obviously. But it's, what is it? Where's the box?
Make your own design.
So it's this, make your own fake food.
What more? This.
And this all the stuff you get with it, and you making a donut.
Yeah.
I think she's
What are you making?
a burger.
A burger.
Do you press it down? Both of them in. Yeah. And then press it down.
You know I'll have no grass in the morning. Wow. 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 Whoa.
That's about it.
How was
Is that it? I know.
That massive
I
box.
wasn't expecting much to come out. I thought he was waiting. Whoa. Whoa.
Is that it?
Yeah, that was better.
Oh, that looked a bit cuter.
It's more like it.
Red and green. Your buttocks.
Gold.
That was. You got a Believe me, Carl will have no problem with staying in. Whoa. Whoa.
Cheers.
Move out the way. Come on then. You having fun there?
Yeah, I love this. These are my favourite parts of bonfire night.
Just buy them then.
Portia, don't touch me, please! Oh my god,
This has gone out.
You are doing dangerous. Right, swim us.
Are we throwing them?
Yes, it's gone. It's gone out. It's gone out, yes.
Are you going to hold one?
You want to hold it?
Turn a sleeve over. So it, no, this sleeve, yeah. On a coat. So
Touch it.
Oh yeah, funny you, aren't you?
There we go. Ready?
Push up.
Right. Hold it. Hold it.
Yeah, wait.
Are you holding the firework?
You're holding one.
Wow.
Hold on, Imogen.
Hold it there. Oh.
It won't burn you.
Ready? Hey.
Yay.
Cheers, man.
Do you want me to light it with chinas? Do you want me to light it with chinas, Dave?
Oh, look at it.
She don't want one. She don't want
Look, look at it. You can ride it.
Say cheese.
You just stick him a coat.
You want your coat off? She wants to hold one again. Did you like that?
Do you want to hold the rest of this one?
Just hold, light it with
go.
that. You just
Hold it there.
your fingers.
Whoa, there.
At the bottom there.
Alright, the fireworks have been and gone now. Just to explain to everybody, Vanellope didn't like the sparklers at the end, so that's why she wasn't in any of it, which is unusual because usually every other time that we've done bonfire night, she's always wanted to hold the sparklers, but for this year, she just didn't want to hold the sparklers for some reason, which is fine. We also had the accident as well with one of the fireworks. It was buried in, but it just kind of like, it seemed to have come out the side, because it's blown a hole about this big in the side of the container on it. So it was just a rogue firework that went off. So yeah, not the best.
No one was hurt.
Yeah, thankfully nobody was hurt, and yeah, it all went according to plan apart from that. But yeah, next year hopefully everything's going to be back to normal, so we could go out and do something, because it's alright doing these fireworks, but you pay all that money out, like £50 for all them, and then Imogen went arse with us with Aaron, but you let all them off and then you just sit there and think to yourself, I could have gone to a display and paid like a £5 to get in, and the display would have been organised and everything else. It looked great. I mean, it was good for Aurora because she's never experienced it really. She's not really seen it. She didn't see it last year. She's you wouldn't have remembered it the year before, so it was great for her. And on that bombshell, no pun intended, I'm going to end today's vlog. So do not forget to smash the like button, subscribe if you're not already. Make sure you click the notification bell if there's nothing. Make sure you leave us a comment if you can, and we will definitely see all of you tomorrow.